Check out my afro. This is AfroEdu Tales, where wisdom and wahala mix. Leave me alone. Is it by force? Uneducated, tall, elegant, beautiful damsel called Inem from the village of Onion ventured into the city to stay with her aunt in the quest of finding herself. Beautiful Inem found friends as soon as she got to the city. They taught her how to dress like a city girl and show her how to mingle by going to parties and clubs. Even though Inem was polished to be a city girl, there was something missing. She was unable to speak good English. One day, Inem's beauty captivated a young, handsome, educated white man. He fell in love with Inem immediately he set his eyes on her. They call it love at first sight. He approached her and said,
"Beautiful damsel, what is your name?"
She replied,
"Yes, my name is Inem. How me I want take help you, sir?"
Then Sam said,
"I like you, and I want you to be my girlfriend."
So Inem said to herself,
How can this educated, handsome rich man want uneducated girl like me to be his girlfriend? Is he trying to insult me?
Inem felt ashamed of herself and ran away. Sam ran after Inem and kept telling her,
"I really do like you. Please give me a chance."
She said,
"Leave me alone. I don't want to be your girlfriend."
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. But if you don't subscribe to this channel, wahala will jam you for house. Sam didn't give up. He kept going after Inem, day after day, until days turned to weeks, weeks to months. The result remained the same. One day, Sam met Inem's aunt at home. He introduced himself and made his intention known to her. He explained,
"I love Inem very much. In fact, I want to marry her. I promise to send her to school so that she won't be ashamed of herself anymore. Please, can you help me talk to her?"
Inem's aunt spoke with Inem concerning Sam's intentions, but Inem refused to listen. Her aunt kept forcing and threatening her to accept Sam. She said, Inem, you must marry that man. He loves you very much. He's willing to do anything for you. He has been coming and begging you for the past 6 months now. If you don't accept him, I will send you away from my house. Sam decided to meet Inem for the last time and said to her,
"Please, marry me."
Inem replied,
Bakara Nsiro, I think I told you before. I don't want to marry you. Leave me alone. Is it by force?
Sam left and never returned. Inem's aunt became angry and sent Inem out of her house. Years later, Inem returned and presented the love of her life, a man of her caliber, the one she wants to spend the rest of her life with. They got married and had 3 beautiful children. Once uneducated Inem became educated nurse. Though Sam was a good man, after a long time of waiting and hoping, he was rejected by Inem. Not because he was not good enough, but because Inem didn't find love in Sam. And Sam left because he realized that love cannot happen on one side. Neither can one beg, buy, or force love. Love happens to 2 persons, not one. Sam felt he also deserved to be loved, with hope that one day he will find love on the other side.